Welcome to the latest arrival here at Kingsbridge Automotive. It's a 2023 73 plate Porsche 992.1, and this is the Carrera 4 GTS model. The nice thing about the Carrera 4 GTS, it is the driver's choice in my humble opinion. 480 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in around 3 seconds, which is proper supercar territory, and nearly 200 miles an hour. All with the reassurance of four-wheel drive. It really is a superb engine. That flat six gives you loads of torque with the turbochargers. The four-wheel drive just grips endlessly and means that you can really push this car. And one of the nice things about the GTS model, you may or may not know, is it gets, or certainly on the GTS 4, it gets rear wheel steering as standard, which is an option on all the other 911s. And it also gets the Porsche torque vectoring system, which is a superb system, unmatched on any other supercar, which literally makes the car accelerate out of a corner, glued to the road, or turn into a corner very, very tightly by using limited slip diff, electronically, braking the inside wheel, and the PDK transmission. It's a fabulous system. So that comes as standard on these. The Porsche torque vectoring and the rear wheel steering, it all works together to give you a phenomenal grip, phenomenal driving experience. You can literally go around corners like the cars on rails. Now this is a one-owner car. It's a 73 plate registered in October 2023. So it's still got around 5 months of Porsche warranty left of the 3 years manufacturer's warranty. It's had its first service completed at Porsche Leeds. 2 keys, books, one owner from brand new, finished in superb Crayon Grey, which of course is a very sought after colour. And it's got some fantastic options such as the glass panoramic sunroof rather than the solid or no sunroof. Bose sound system, red calipers, 21-inch wheels, RS Spider design in satin black. You've got the LED lights, you've got privacy glass, you've got the light design package which gives you the configurable interior dimming configurable interior ambient lighting, keyless entry and drive, which basically means the car can open and close with a key in your pocket. You've got satin black script on the rear and gloss black Porsche logo. And you've got the smoked rear tail lights. You've also got the sports exhaust system in black. And again, the clear brake lights on the tailgate. Lovely, lovely machine. The red calipers are huge, 6 pots. Michelin tyres on the front, Michelin tyres on the rear. The car has literally just come into stock. There was a little bit of curbing on this wheel, but that will get sorted by the powder coaters in due course. Again, Michelin tyres on the front and rear on this side as well, so fully matching all the way around. Around 3 to 4 mil on the rears and around 4 to 5 mil on the front, which is normal. Obviously the engine at the back, so you've got more weight, and the drivetrain is rear biased as well. But other than that, you can see what lovely condition it's in overall. It's ready to go for the new owner and represents fantastic value now that's approaching 3 years old at this price. So, let's look inside. You've got the full black leather option with a crayon stitching, which gives you the lovely crayon stitching on the door cards, the seats, the dash. You've also got the Porsche crest on the headrests. It's a lovely option. These are the 14-way seat option, which are 100% worth having. It's a £1,000 option or a £1,200 option. If you don't have that, you have the standard 4-way seats, which gives you very little movement. You've also got the brushed black aluminium Carrera 4 GTS sill plates, Porsche branded interior mats, storage package, the Bose sound system, as you can see there, and like I said, you've also got the configurable ambient lighting. Rear seats, obviously for the odd occasion where you need someone in the back. Don't think those have been used by the looks of it. You have actually got, just to say, you've got a little bit of storage there above the engine, so you can actually put stuff in the back as well. As I'm sure you know, if you're a Porsche fan, cup holders built into the dash, which pop in and out. Moving on to the business end, the driver's side. So again, the car opens and locks just with me touching the handle with a key in my pocket. You've also got the power folding wing mirrors. Great option to have, of course. The electric memory 14-way seats that I just mentioned. It's a fantastic machine to drive. Literally something you can drive day in, day out. It's comfortable, it's easy, it handles, grips in all weathers. For me, the GTS 4 is the ultimate everyday 911 that you can use without hesitation, without any worry. Whether you're a good driver, bad driver, it'll complement your driving. Some of the other options on this car, you've got the heated steering wheel button, which is here between the spokes. Heated seats, you've got the cup holder, which you can take out and replace with something else if you like. Centre console, sports exhaust button, you can configure that favourite button how you want, suspension, firmness, cruise control on the stalk here, and then you've got the push to for the extra burst of acceleration for 30 seconds if you're overtaking. Then you can also configure the drive modes. So let's start it up. It is keyless. Sounds wonderful. Porsche logo kicks in on the screen. You've got your little PDK gear selector here. Bose sound system on the speakers there. Paddle shifters on the steering wheel, plus, minus. We've got a lovely positive feel to them. Makes it really a joy to use. And then you've got your volume on the steering wheel. And then this button here, the seat's just adjusting to the memory setting. You've got the navigation screen here, and I'm just literally toggling through the options here with this thumb wheel. You've got navigation, your sport chrono package, which is included on the GTS, G-force meter, all-wheel drive, so you can see whether it's sending the power to the front or rear wheels or both, whether it's 50-50, 70-30, etc. Obviously tire pressure, performance, and then this is where you use this, so you can see normal, sport, sport plus. Sport plus will kick in things like your sports exhaust system. Spoiler will extend when you go above a certain speed. You can see the chassis in sport mode. Now if you didn't want the chassis in sport mode, you can switch that to normal mode, and the same with the sports exhaust. If you do the push to pass, you press that and it gives you 20 seconds, sorry I said 30 earlier, it's 20 seconds of sport response. So you could be in normal mode, and rather than switching to sport, press that, accelerate, overtake, whatever it is you want to do, and then it finishes after the end of the 20 seconds, the time lapse. and it will return back to the normal mode it was in prior, which is great. It was got wet, etc. Sport plus, sport normal. Let's put it into wet. There you go. Your central rev count, of course, as a Porsche, is the most important thing. Speed in the digital display underneath. And then you can also, if you press this, you can see now that's highlighted red. You can then switch between what you want displayed in that. So you've got your speedo, and then you've also got your navigation. And then you've got your time and temperature display there. That's your favourite button, you can configure that. That's for changing stations. You've got steering wheel adjustment over here, and then your lights there. Your lights are generally always left on auto. And then of course, like I said, you've got heated seats, you've got the panoramic roof here. And with it being glass, it just gives you a lovely airy view to the cabin rather than when it's solid or doesn't have one at all. And then you've got the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto on these, so you can connect at your phone very easily and play CarPlay using that button there, you can see. You've also got the navigation screen on here using satellite imagery. You can change that if you just want a non-satellite image map. As I mentioned, on this screen you can tick things, for example, sports exhaust, spoiler extended. You can change all that on here, you see. Assistance, you've got basic assist and park assist. So park assist will be giving you the reversing camera and front and rear sensors display on the screen. Trip, and then comfort. So ambient lighting, like I said, you can actually change the colour because that comes as part of the lighting, or lighting design package they call it on Porsche. But if we come out of that, you've got various little things you can mess about with, such as the comfort entry, which adjusts the steering wheel and seat when you get in the car to your settings that you've set on here. And then if you go back to the main screen, you've got obviously your air conditioning that you can configure. You can also do it on these buttons here if you want quick access and don't want to wait. And then things like Sport Chrono, if you want to see or configure that, you can do. And I think there's nothing really. I mean, you've got things like the weather, which is connected to the internet, news, etc. So there's all that as well if you want to have a play about with it. You've got your Sport Chrono clock there, auto dimming, rear view mirror, lighting here. Obviously you've got illuminated vanity mirrors, both driver and passenger. You can see there the LED lighting. It's currently on red, but you can change that colour if you like. Additional storage there, here, glove box. And then of course, like I said, behind the rear seats you've also got, as well as in the front. So if we step out, there's enough room in the front to either get your weekly shop or even a couple of smallish travel suitcases. That's the other compartment that goes in the front, so if you don't want the cup holder you can just have that. And there she is, folks. That's our 2023 73 992 Carrera 4 GTS in Crayon Grey, with a lovely spec list including that must-have glass panoramic sliding roof. That's the spoiler fully extended up. Does look pretty mean. Now of course we offer finance packages, part exchange, and anything else you may need as part of a dealer service, just let us know. Speak to one of our sales team on the phone, WhatsApp, email. We'll be happy to guide you through the process and answer any questions you may have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Look forward to seeing you on the next one, and please get in touch if you have any further questions at all. We're more than happy to help. Have a good one.